This is the official website of Python,
Oh yeah.
from where you can download the Python, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here you see, once you open this website, you can see here under the download section, okay,
Mm-hmm.
there is by default, because I'm using my MacBook, that's why it is showing MacBook. Okay, but for you guys, just click on this view the full list of downloads. Okay, just click here and you can see here for other operating systems there is a link here to download the software. Okay, let's take an example. The Mac Windows users, whoever is using Windows desktop or laptop, they need to click on this Windows option. Just go here, Windows option, and then after, check which version of operating system you're using. Okay, here you see there are so many options are here. We'll use the installable one.